morning everyone. Ito na yung mga nahuli nating mud crabs this early morning. Ang ingay, may nagmamowing sa kabilang bahay. Maingay. So, susukatin natin uli. We're gonna measure again. So, itong measure method is 15 cm. By the way, the legal size, the minimum size of mud crab here in Queensland is 15 centimeter. So this one is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter. So we're gonna measure again so that nakikita nyo. Pagsusukat guys ng mud crab sa dito sa tip niya dito magkabilaan, okay, dito at saka dito, okay. So this one is over, so this one is over, nakikita nyo. Ayan, over siya. So maybe this mud crab is around 16 to 17 centimeter. Yung galamay niya, oh. Naputol. Pero laki, di ba? Okay. Yung pangalawa. So the second one. Oh, by the way, it's a male crab, okay? Yung male lang ang allowed nating kunin dito sa Queensland. Female, no female. That's a big fine. Kapag nanghuli ka ng female crab, that's a big fine. Male one, 17 centimeter, alright? So the second one is also a male, pero wala na yung mga ano niya. Ito, naputol na naman. Ayan, naputol na naman, nandun sa skin. So this one, susukatin natin. Okay? Kung pasok ba sa legal size requirement. Oh, you see? So this one is over again. So maybe same 16 to 17 centimeter. Or this one is 16 centimeter. Alright, so two good size. Okay, oh, this one is really big boy. Like this. This big boy. Look at that. That's a big boy. Big boy, big boy. Pinakamalaki, the biggest one. So, yes. Oh. Nope. Maybe around 20 plus centimeter. We're gonna measure this one. Yeah, it's 20 centimeter. Mad crab. Yeah. Good boy. Oh. Oh, where's the other one? Lucky this morning. We got this 3 big boy. Ow. Sorry guys. Hindi pa ako sanay humawak ng mud crab. So